Woot woot, not complaining. Let it rain, let it rain. We only had like a 30% chance for rain. I went out to start pulling my onions that are ready to be harvested, and sure enough, it started raining. I am not complaining. My poor vegetable garden is in so need of rain. It's not even funny. I got peppers to plant. I got these tomatoes here still to plant. I'm so behind on my garden. But I have onions. They're not very big, but it's just Jeremy and I. And he's not a big onion eater, so they're kind of perfect size for us. I have some out there that are still green and growing, so those will stay. But cardinal out there playing in the rain. My roses. Find the worms and eat them. There's another female cardinal over there. I'm getting dripped on. Look at her play. Oh, I bet my ducks are having a blast. Female over there. Oh, let it rain. We need this. My grass is brown. Oh, give us a good soak. A nice, good soak. I have so much stuff that I need to get planted. This year I've been a day late and $1 short with all of my planting. I mean, my elephant ears are like, oh my gosh, you need to get me into the dirt. They're huge. They're huge. Freaking loofah vines growing everywhere. Oh, this is glorious. God bless the rain. I got house chores I can do while it's raining, so I am not complaining. Let it rain, let it rain. Look at that sunflower. I didn't plant that. That's a volunteer. It's freaking massive. Oh, that cardinal is having so much fun in the rain. And the weather report said we were supposed to get rain until 2 o'clock. Hear the frogs. Oh, I love Mother Nature. God, this is beautiful. I hope we get more than just this little shower. Alright. My tomatoes are looking sad and pathetic. I planted them too late. It got hot too fast. I plant them early. They get eaten by worms. I plant them late. We have an extremely hot spring. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder what this is. I love wild plants. I leave them if they have flowers. Roses are doing good. I need to weed the bed. Look at those elderberries. Ugh. Those blooms. I am gonna have elderberries this year. The plant is doing fantastic. Little clipping I took from the side of the road. I'm a plant thief. If I can propagate it, I will do it. I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 5 stalks coming from the ground, and there's a little tiny baby next to it. Right there. So, should have another. The flowers are beautiful on them. Let's see if I can step over this fence without killing myself. Aren't those just beautiful? And God willing, these will be elderberries that I will harvest to make elderberry juice and elderberry syrup. This rose bush just struggles. I need to just prune it to the ground and let it start over. I just feel bad to do it. I'm not good about pruning stuff back. Oh, that's beautiful. And come out and deadhead. This needs to be weeded. Hollyhock did not do good out here at all. And I had some strawberry leaves and they're completely gone. So something must have eaten them. I have no luck with strawberries. So I will not be trying to grow strawberries in the future. Every time I try to grow them, they die. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Sweet potatoes are looking good. I'm actually going to do a YouTube video garden tour. That's what I was working on, trying to get the garden cleaned up. Cucumbers are looking fantastic. That's what I was in the middle of doing, mulching. Oh, let's pull this through. The cucumber flowers. Come here, buddy. You need to feed through there. Trying to train these plants to go up the trellis. I'm having a major issue with leaf hoppers. I'm gonna have to find out what to do. Parsley. That's purple bee balm, and then echinacea. I didn't plant a white echinacea. I don't know where the white echinacea came from. I planted supposed to be a twist, which is a green and pink, and I ended up with white, so go figure. Not complaining, it's beautiful. My regular purple echinacea, and then I've got this creamy yellow, and here comes the rain, and I don't even care. Oh, it's cold. Pulling the onions out. Oh, it's really cold. Who cares? God's washing my sins away. Oh, that is hummingbird mint and I believe hypsis. Is it hypsis that I got down here? Oh, I don't even know. Tags are gone. I got horehound, sage, lemon balm, yellow echinacea, yellow chamomile, which didn't sprout. My Italian dandelion, which looks like chicory, but it's beautiful, so I left it. My leeks are going to seed. Not complaining. I did pull one out yesterday to eat, and it was really good. We had it with ham and potatoes and cabbage. My corn is looking good. Green beans are struggling. I'm gonna have to come back out and plant another round of green beans because not all of my green beans are coming up, but they're starting to trellis. And of course, these back two beds need to be pulled and something planted. Some free planted sunflowers that I didn't plant that came up from sunflowers last year. This thing needs to be completely weeded and something planted in it. I'm going to plant sweet corn. I should have enough time to do that. This bed, my poor cabbage, it's trying. It is trying. I'm like, I don't know if I have the heart to pull it. It keeps trying to give me heads. I mean, this is the head that didn't make it, and now it's sprouting new. I mean, it's fighting. I might give it a chance and see. I want to probably plant eggplant and okra back here. I am so far behind on planting. I mean, it's June 1st. And gardening wasn't priority this year. I mean, I started seeds. I'm soaking wet. I don't even care. I planted seeds. My poor plants are turning yellow from being in pots too long. I'm even getting peppers. I've actually picked peppers off of these guys. Look. I need to get these damn things in the ground. I am failing in so many things. I will be honest, and I will say it. I bit off more than I can chew. I thought I'd get a little bit more help with things, and I was sadly mistaken. My dream, my problems. Anyway, God bless the rain. My poor tomatoes. They're so laggy. Look, but I got tomatoes. I need to get these bad boys in the ground. Hopefully today, after it rains. My cosmos. These all need to get planted today. These are all going to go in the vegetable garden. I need to. These are weird frilly. Let's see if I can find a better flower. Frilly daisies. Need to deadhead it. Get that planted. White lantana needs to be planted. Sweet potato vine needs to be planted. These guys need to be deadheaded and planted. Fail. I am failing. Yes, kitty, it's raining. I got water in my eyeballs. This is loofah that I planted that needs to get planted. It's climbing up on my elephant ears. Those need to be planted. Lemongrass, peppermint. I even have asparagus back here that's gone to seed that I need to get planted. So many things to do. I am not eating a darn thing today, and I am going to suck down the caffeine so I can get this done. Is this not the most beautiful bougainvillea? I'm going to put it in a pot in the garden, and then in the fall I'm going to plant it out in my flower garden. And these are sun patience that I saved from Walmart, $2.50, because they weren't watering, and I have brought them back, and they are looking beautiful. These two are going to go into a pot. I've got 3 pots that are in the onion garden that I want to put these flowers in, and they're going to be in there. I'm going to have to figure out what to plant in the onion bed now that most of my onions have been pulled. So, what do you think? You want to go in? All right, I'm going to go in and dry off.